Hello dear students, I Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on course Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic food web and ecological pyramid. So let's start with food web. Food web, it is a network of interacting food chain. Food webs show all possible feeding relationship in community at each trophic level. Basically, food web represent network of interconnected food chains. In food web, an organism gets food from more than one group of organisms. Food web is a group of several interconnected food chains, and here are the example of terrestrial food web. Here we see organisms get food from more than one group of organisms. This is the example of aquatic food webs. Here is also we see organisms get food from more than one group of organisms. Ecological pyramid. These show how energy is transferred and changed when going up the pyramid. Pyramid of energy. So the amount of energy. Pyramid of biomass. So the biomass of all organisms. Pyramid of number. So the number of individual feeding at each trophic level. This is pyramid of energy. Here we are seeing that as we are going up, the energy is decreasing. In producer level, energy is 1000 kilocalorie. In primary consumers, 100 kilocalorie. Secondary consumers, 10 kilocalorie. Ultimately, tertiary consumers got 1 kilocalorie. Pyramids of biomass, energy is decreasing as we are moving upward. Primary producers to tertiary consumers. And this is about the pyramid numbers of individual feedings is decreasing as we are moving upward toward the pyramids. So that's it from my side. I hope you understand. Thanks.